I love my job. This thing is heavy. Eahora sent me this electric scooter. I have no idea what I'm about to unbox, but all I know is that it goes 50 miles an hour. We're about to put it together and take it for a ride. Let's check it out. This thing is so heavyweight, like, seriously, I got this delivered and me and the mailman could not get it inside. It was diabolical, him and I trying to get it in here without another person. But this is what it looks like when you unbox it. All right, wow. This is what we use to charge the Zeros. This is heavy duty. This is not like an e-bicycle. Wow. Holy smokes. I don't even know what color it is, to be honest.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh
my goodness.
Oh, it has a registration card. So you can actually register this and ride it on the street. Me? Not gonna do that. But I am gonna ride it on the street. Just not gonna register it. Around here, the police have bigger things to worry about.
It's pretty sick.
This is like motorcycle parts.
Yeah. Brakes are already bled and everything. You don't gotta do anything. Oh, so the left one's rear brake, the right one's front brake.
This crescent wrench is so nice.
Yeah.
Whew. Plug it in, turn the breaker on. Let's see.
Oh, got a headlight.
All right, I have my brand new Eahora Chrome M1PS scooter plugged in. This is what the charging system looks like. So this thing can go 34 to 70 miles on one battery charge. And I'm gonna take it, push it to the limit. All right, it comes in a couple different colors. So red is cool. I was considering white, but I got the black. Their website is really good. You can see all their information about this thing on here. The chrome frame is cool, I will say. The alligator seat is insane. There are 3 gears. You can be up to 440 pounds to ride this thing. It has crazy suspension. Look at this. Which is perfect for around here because we have some crazy roads, really bumpy spots. It comes with a phone mount that fits any phone. Really good brakes. The mirrors I put on myself. Here's the dash. You turn it on. It comes with a key that you can lock the bike from afar, so. Okay, so I got it outside and I'm gonna take it for a real ride. This is my Bell Helmet Bullet, the brand new GT version. This is my first time riding this thing outside, so I don't know how it's gonna go. I'm gearing up like I'm riding a real motorcycle because this thing can go fast and I'm kind of scared of it. Got my Axel coat gloves. All right, let's turn it on. So it's in gear 2 right now. I'm going to switch the gear. 3, 1. I'm gonna start off in 1 and see how it feels. Completely silent. And the forward controls feel kind of weird because I'm used to, oh my goodness. I'm used to a mid control, no feet controls. All right, I'm on PCH right now. I'm actually gonna get off because I need to adjust my mirrors. But wow, this thing feels scary because it's so fast and so quiet. It definitely feels like I'm riding a motorcycle. Oh my goodness, okay. I did not tighten these good enough, that's for sure. Okay, I need to be able to see out of them because I'm a little nervous. Maybe I should have brought some tools. Oh God. Oh, there's always something going on around here. Okay, let's just max it out right off the bat. All right. I'm in first. Oh my God, you kick it into second gear and it just goes. Oh shit, that's too fast. Okay, I'm in second gear and I got it up to 32 just right off the bat. I haven't even got it into third gear yet. All right. The turning radius is crazy. This thing is like so long. 30, 40. God. This thing goes too fast. Okay, it's kind of nice. The suspension is super nice. All right. I'm kind of scared. To get it up any faster than that because God, turning feels crazy because of the suspension. I'm not used to it. All right. Off we go. All right, the brakes work really good. I'm in speed 2 right now. Gear 2, I guess. Properly. Ah! Okay, never mind. I'm going back in the bike lane. Welcome to Wilmington. I'm on Avalon. Not messing around now. All right, I'm gonna be a car. Turning left? Nope, just sitting there signaling. Classic. God, I keep reaching for the rear brake and there's nothing. They're probably like, what the heck is that thing? While I'm riding around town, there's so many people that are like, cool bike, blah, blah. It stands out, that's for sure. Train guys are like, what are you doing? I'm going to the park. Bitch, woo! All right, I'm gonna signal. Yep, that's right. I got signal lights, baby. I haven't been here before, and this is like 1 mile from my shop. So like, I'm just gonna rip up here because I don't know. Am I a bicycle? Am I a motorcycle? I don't know. Oh, people are like filming shit here. And rollerblading or something. What the heck? The Tayasini. I feel like I'm figuring it out. Get a little thumbnail there. Wow. Check out my new scooter. Ah! Just ripping it. let's try taking it onto the grass. I love my job. Okay, we're going on the grass. Ready? Okay, up a hill. Oh! This thing just goes. Sorry, park. It's such a nice park, and I'm just out here fucking it up. Huh. Those are cool. Dude, I just moved my shop to Wilmington, and I just think it's such a cool spot. Yeah, if someone tried to steal my bike, I would just give her. See ya. I'd be like, see ya. And it's not like a motorcycle where you need to learn your clutch and your gears and everything. I'm dragging my peg. Yeah, it's just like gassing, and brakes. That's it. Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. Should I ride it down here? God, that's a lot of stairs. Maybe if it was just a couple stairs. We are in the ports. This area feels like you're not allowed to be down here. Okay, I'm basically off-roading at this point. Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God, where am I? At the road right here. Are these... Okay. Oh, fuck. Is this a road? Okay. I feel like I should probably turn around. Like, am I allowed here? It's Sunday, so no trespassing. Am I trespassing? Oh, is this a road? Oh God. Dude, the ports are crazy. There's so many roads down here that I've never seen before. Oh God. I don't know if this is a road. Do you think it's possible I could get a flat tire here? Hopefully not. All right, we're in a big open parking lot. No trespassing. Does that, like, there was nowhere that said I wasn't allowed to go in here. Okay, let me show you some of my riding skills. See how fast I can go in a circle here. Oh, shit! Oh, God! Okay. Almost ate shit right there. Let's try to eat shit. Got a text. Not bottoming out. I guess I can't really say it has bad turning radius when I can do that. This is sick. You're sick. Wow. That was insane. Fun toy to have, that's for sure. I'm like, oh, you're gonna give me a fun toy and I have to make a fun video? Oh no. You know? And this is not my typical style, but I really just love anything with 2 wheels that goes fast. Like, you can't deny that this is fun. I was just going 50 on that highway right there. And then I pulled into this park and now I'm on the walkway. And no one could hear me and no one's looking at me. It's probably like illegal somewhere. I feel like they're gonna figure out like e-bike laws like late in the future, but right now it's like, let's just have fun, everybody. So this is the chrome M1PS model from Eahora Scooter. Thank you for sending me this, Eahora Scooter. If you're interested in this exact model, that's what color it is chrome. M1PS is the model. And it comes in a bunch of different colors. Go check out the website, I'll link it here. Okay, if you buy one, please let me know, like from this video, not from like another video, from this video, if you buy one of these, I need to know, because that makes me an influencer, because I influenced you to buy one of these. You know what I'm saying? All right. Thank you guys for watching. Comment below what you think about this. Tell me your honest, brutal truth. I want to know. Do you think it's cool? Do you think it's lame? Would you buy one? Tell me. You tell me. All right, guys. Have a good one. Peace out.